Hi again, YouTubers. So I am sitting down today to do a video for the second time. Yes, second time. So the first time I sat down to do this video, sat down, did the whole video, taped the entire thing, put everything away, took out the trash of all the boxes because it's a haul video. I cleaned it all up, I downloaded it, and then I realized there was no sound. And by no sound, I don't mean like there was background noise. I mean, I didn't turn the mic on, and if you don't turn the mic on, it doesn't trigger the regular mic in the camera. So there was nothing. It was like this. Like, it was horrible. So then I had talked about possibly doing a voiceover, and I was like, somebody brought up a good point, and I'm so glad they did on Instagram. They were like, you're going to talk over this, but your mouth will never match up to what the video is. And they're like, I probably won't watch because it'll drive me insane. And I thought to myself, I probably wouldn't even be able to edit that. It'll drive me insane. So I was like, nope, done, pitched it. So that being said, I pulled the things back out. I went through the video and kind of tried to scan it to find all the items. Boxes are gone. Like if anything came in a box that I was opening this up right away, gone. And I hope I got everything, but who knows? I just wanted to sit down and do this video before I left for the summer. So the first thing I'm going to start with is you guys know I love my lashes, and I love like a set like what I have on right now, which is a very dramatic set of lashes, much more, not a typical like go out day at the pool, the beach, the running errands, that type of thing. I mean, I can do this, trust me. I have no problem doing this. But that being said, these are more like if I'm going out to dinner or things like that. And these are my Kiss Fritzies. However, I have loved these since Kristen Game first sent me my first pair, and it's Salon Perfect, and it's number 110. And they're just a really great basic lash for every day that doesn't look like you're wearing lash extensions, or doesn't look like you're wearing false lashes, or doesn't look like it isn't yours. I buy them at Walmart. I had a gift card to Walmart that I just ordered a whole bunch of them, and I've already used one of them. I ordered 6 of them. So I did that. I love these. They are perfect for summertime. They're light, they're fluttery. They don't feel like you're wearing a lash. They're not heavy. It's amazing. The next thing that I purchased, I showed you guys the box in the video because the actual item itself, I already sent to my other house. I took it with me. And it is by the company Impressions, and it's Vanity, I think. This is the compact, and what this actually is this one actually has a magnifying side and a regular side, and it has the lights, which I think I already killed my battery because I can't seem to get this. This came with the actual mirror. I'm trying to pull the battery to see if I can push it back in and make it work. I think I killed the battery. But anyway, it does have the lights on it. The mirror itself is a regular mirror with the lights on it. And then it also has a 5x magnifying. And I bought it at Nordstrom, and for the whole set, for all 3 pieces, I think it was under $79. And it's amazing. If you need a lighted mirror, they're just so great. So I took it to my Cape house because it's perfect there. Because here already I have my big mirror, and then I have 2 smaller mirrors. The next thing I picked up was from Premier Look, and I use this every summer, and I use it all through the winter. It is the Obagi Medical Sun Shield Broad Spectrum SPF 50, and it is the matte version of the sunscreen. This is what it looks like. I actually use mine up. Actually, and that's the other thing is, in that video, I had shown you guys, I forgot about this, all of my empties, because I like to show empties with my haul videos because it shows you when I'm repurchasing something that I've already emptied out. So all of the empties are gone too, but so is life. So I had used one up. I do have a new one in my bathroom already, and then I had this one. I hadn't realized I had an extra one of it, but I love it this much. You need the tiniest amount, and if you are oily combination skin tone like I am, it is perfect for summertime. So this one will be going with me because I'm sure I will use it through the summertime. Next thing I picked up from Ulta is my premium quilted oval cotton pads. I love these ones from Ulta. I know people love the Shiseido like cotton. It's just not my thing. I don't know why, something about it. I love the size of these. I love that they're quilted. I love that they don't fall apart. They're really nice, and I bought 2 things of them. There's only one right here, but I bought 2 of them because I want to take one up north with me too, so I have it with me. A random thing that I picked up, I had heard 2 different sets of people talking about this. It is the Moroccan Oil Root Boost Volume Weightless Lift Natural Texture. I've used it on my roots. I think it's good. It's not anything that I would repurchase, like me personally. I just think it's good. It's not like, oh my gosh, you have to go get this. And I feel like the people that were talking about it were like, oh my gosh, you have to go get this. And I just didn't feel that way. I like the one from Monat just as much. Okay, next thing is Sephora Perfection Mist Airbrush Foundation in the color medium. And I'm actually about halfway through this one already. I use this one on my neck and all the way down my chest. If you watch my skincare video, my nighttime and my morning, I talk about the fact that I've been taking my skincare all the way down through my chest. So I don't want to put self-tanners on it because it adheres to my dark spots. So I've been using self-tanner like from kind of where my bra straps are basically out. And I use this on my chest and up through my neck. And it really works well. I just use it with a big fluffy brush. Next thing, I'm obsessed with this, guys. It is the Super Goop Defense Refresh Setting Mist Broad Spectrum Sunscreen SPF 50 Water and Sweat Resistant for 40 minutes. This stuff smells amazing, guys. And you can just use it when you're sitting at the beach. It smells so good. It comes out so fine. It is just... it's so good. I can't wait to put this in my beach bag. I use it now. Doesn't matter whether it's in a beach bag or not. Next thing, you guys saw me talk about this in my Get Ready With Me that was recently up, using the YSL All Hours Foundation up to 24-hour wear, flawless matte, full coverage, oil-free. I do not think this is matte. I think it's more of a satin. It's really nice. I have this in the color BR50. It is what I have on my face again today. I haven't really used much else since I got this. I love it that much. Next thing I picked up, you guys have heard me talk about these 100 times. I have them everywhere. And like, I have them downstairs. I have them in my bag. I have them in my car. I have them in my bathroom and in my vanity room. And it is the Sol Janeiro, and it's called the Brazilian Kiss. It's just a lip balm. It has no color to it. It smells like a cupcake. It's the only way I can explain it. It does not have SPF in it, I don't think. I'm trying to look and see. I don't notice SPF. I feel like they would make it noticeable somewhere if it was. So in the summer, just be cautious. Next thing I picked up is, I had talked about the Kula self-tanning serum that I was using on my neck and chest before I decided that that was not my best idea to keep doing that because it was adhering to my sunspots and actually making them where it was like blotchy no matter what I did, and I felt like the skincare wasn't getting through. But I loved it so much that I picked up the Sunless Tan Dry Oil Mist Spray. This is what it looks like. It's what I use. I don't have a lot of color right now, but I use it on a mitt, and I use this on my arms, my legs, places like that where I want to keep my color up, and it's really nice. Then I picked up two more of my favorites. The first one is the Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk Compact Powder in 5.5. I have this on to set today. This one is my new one. I have one in there still. I haven't opened this one or used it yet. It's so pretty. So pretty. Doesn't have any scent to it. Somebody had asked me that once. That's what made me think to do that. Putting it back in the container, or in the box, so that I don't use this one, because I want to keep it out set to bring with me, but I don't want to use it now. The next thing is my Beauty Blender Cleanser Solid Pro. Love this stuff. There's no other way to explain it. It is what I use to clean my brushes, my sponges, everything. It's just the easiest cleanser, and I love how big this is. It's just so awesome. I haven't even opened this one yet. I'm at the very, very end of my last one. Then I picked some stuff up at Nordstrom. I needed another one of my MAC Prep and Prime filler in the color Radiant Rose. I love this stuff. I use this stuff under my eyes every morning before I put anything else on. It just is phenomenal. Then I picked up a backup of my Laura Mercier Eye Basics in the color Buff. I was talking about this a while ago because they had a price match on this, so it was like really reduced, and I love it, so I picked it up. It's one of the things, I only have two things on my eyes today, and again, I use that in my Get Ready With Me, and this is the same, is I have the Buff all over my lid, and then I have Bobbi Brown Longwear Cream Shadow Stick and Taupe on my lid, in my crease, and that's it. I picked up a MAC Velvet Teddy lipstick. Love it. It's what I have on right now. It's like the best, like, your lips, but with a touch of color to them. It's just so easy. Look how much lighter my hand is because I wash my hands so much. But absolutely gorgeous. Then I heard Courtney Kerr talking about this, and it is Estee Lauder Pure Color Envy Lip Matte in Burnt Raisin 401. And this stuff is gorgeous too, guys. This is like a pinkier version of that that's just slightly darker. So this one's the Burnt Raisin and that one's Velvet Teddy. And then I picked up an Estee Lauder Pure Color Envy Gloss in 422, Reckless Bloom. They're both 420. No, 401 and 420. And I have it on over the Velvet Teddy today, and it is just gorgeous. It's so pretty. So Velvet Teddy in this gloss is what everybody has been seeing on me lately, that they're asking what's on your lips. That has been it. Then I got a package in from Colleen Rothschild. I had been talking to them when I was in Dallas, and then I was doing my skincare video, and they said, well, let us know if there's anything that you need backups of or you need to retry. Most of my stuff I had, but they sent me a backup of the Colleen Rothschild Radiant Cleansing Balm, which is one of my favorites. And I love the fact that this comes with a muslin cloth to wash your face. If you watch my skincare video, I actually use this to wash my face, and I love it. She also sent me her Daily Defense Broad Spectrum SPF 25 Lightweight Fluid Sunscreen. So I'm going to give this a try and just see how it compares to that Obagi one. And then she sent me, I wish I had the other packaging for this. This is their candles, and this is the rosin version, which is like the rose. Oh my gosh, it smells so nice. Has a beautiful, these are glass, a gorgeous glass top to it. And afterwards you could use this for like brushes or something. It's beautiful. So excited about that. All right, couple things. L'Occitane. Again, I talk about them a lot because I love their skincare in my skincare videos. And so they sent me a few things as well. And the first one is the milk concentrate with almond milk. This one is, I believe, a body. Oh my God, this smells so good, guys. It's such a basic scent. It's not overwhelming. It's almond. That's what it is. Even though that says milk concentrate, it's like an almond scent to it. It smells amazing. And then this is their Delightful Body Balm. This is what it looks like. Same scent. It's just amazing. I haven't used either of those yet. Oops, trying to get it back together here. And then they also sent me, I have used this, I owned this last summer and I used it during the summer, so I'm super excited they sent it to me. And it is the Supple Skin Oil. I already used their skin oil, like in the bath skin oil or something. It's the one that I use in there, but this is a spray one for your body. Oh my gosh, so excited. I don't remember why I put it back in the box, but I had the box for that one. Then 3 last items from them. They sent me a backup of their Immortal Divine Cleansing Balm that I had shown you guys in my skincare video. I used 2 cleansing balms, mix them in and out, either the Colleen Rothschild or this one. Those are my 2 favorites of all the ones I have tried out there. And then they sent me their Youth Oil, and this is what, I haven't tried this yet. I haven't had a chance, but it is the Immortal Divine the Immortal Divine has the most amazing scent to it. It's like so pretty smelling. L'Occitane has amazing smelling products. So they sent me the face oil, and I have not yet had a chance to try that one. The last item was from L'Occitane, and it's their, what is this called? Cream, I can't even say the words. This is what it looks like. It's the red one. I feel like it has a floral name to it. But the scent of this, guys, this is the most, like, I have already used this one. Oh, I just got it on my lips. It doesn't taste as good as it smells. Ugh. But it's so floral. It's just beautiful. It smells amazing and actually feels awesome on your skin. I use that one at nighttime sometimes. So that is everything for my haul video. I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you have any questions on anything you saw here, as always, guys, don't forget to let me know. And basically, I think I have on exactly everything I did in my Get Ready With Me. Yep. Yeah, everything's exactly the same, except for I have on Kiss Ritzy lashes instead of the Salon Perfect that I showed you guys today and that were in that video. So, oh, and these earrings. I'm obsessed. This is nickel and suede. If you guys have seen my videos and my Insta stories, these are the only earrings. I have like I think I have 8 pairs now in less than like 2 months. They are just amazing. They're super soft. They're made of leather. They're super, super, super crazy lightweight. I have on a dress from Elizabeth and James. I will link it down below. It is on the pricey side, but I got it through Rent the Runway. So I will link Rent the Runway down below for you guys as well too. I do the unlimited where I can get anything I want and keep it and send it back whenever I want and blah, blah, blah. I also will post my video about Rent the Runway Unlimited down below. It's amazing. I'm so excited to use it all summer long. So as I mentioned, if you have any questions, please let me know. As always, guys, thank you so much for watching and sticking with me, and have a great day. Bye.